In this support video, we will be upgrading the 100 watts heating element of the 6083 electric range to 1200 watts. Disconnect the power supply. From the back of the unit, remove all the screws. Remove the top splash guard. Remove the back panel. Gently remove the panel glass by pulling the back end towards the front. Locate the short black wire and remove it from the wire harnesses from both ends. With your new wiring, guide it from the back of the unit to the front. Connect the black wire to the second position on the wire harness. Locate the short red wire and remove it from the wire harnesses from both ends. Connect the red wire to the top wire harness. With your new heating element, disconnect the old element and reconnect to the new 1200 watt element. When removing the 3 prongs from the old element, remember the number marking. Place the 3 prongs on the new element. Position the 3 prongs into place. Neatly guide the wires to the lower back of the unit. Locate the black wires connected to the wire harness and connect it with the new black wire. Locate the red wires connected to the wire harness and connect it with the new red wire. Gently place back the top glass panel. Connect the unit and test the heating element. Place back the back and top panel. This completes the install.